And so this vibration in here, it helps to take some of the pain away of injection, hopefully. And we did put some numbing cream on for her hair, so but this vibration actually helps that sort of dissipate the PRP injecting, and B, just sort of vibrate it away so she doesn't feel the pain or needles. But the needles is pretty small anyhow as we injecting it in, but either way, this does take the pain away a little bit and make it more comfortable. That's about it.